Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is Tiered Tray or Anything Goes on the 12 Days of Christmas. And today I decided I'd do a paint along. You can grab your paints and paint with me if you'd like. I'm doing a painting I've never done before, and I'm doing it freehand, which is really scary. I'm doing a nativity, a baby Jesus, and a manger scene. And I hope you join me and paint along with me. Our host of the 12 Days of Christmas is Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY, and Krista from Krista's Crafty Lifestyle. Please, Krista's Crafty Life. Please check out their channels and the amazing creators in the playlist. I will have done 11 days of the 12 days. I'm going to have to take a break. My throat is really bothering me, so I'm going to take one day off. This tag, I base painted it white, and I got some of this burnt umber that splattered on it. So I just took a dry brush and just dry brushed it down through to kind of de-stress it. And now I'm going to take, normally I don't draw out what I'm making, but I kind of want to draw it out a little bit. So maybe I'll have a straighter line. Probably not, but okay. Let's take our unkers and start painting out our project. I'm going to thicken up the one line down here a little bit. . Okay, let's add a little bit of sand. Okay, and it's a brush that does little hairs. And we're gonna add those. As the hay in the manger. This color on our palette. We're gonna load our brush, come up here, and make a star. Which that'll take a few coats, I guess, to go over. We're gonna take, this color is, it's a Christmas green. We're gonna take our fan brush, load it up, and we're going to make this is our just a pine branch. And I'll go in there with a little bit of snow. The fun part is you can do as much of the little little pine needles as you like, and as long or as short as you like. They're a lot of fun actually to do. Okay, since we're in the highlight mood, let's highlight a little bit on this branch. Give it a little bit of highlights. Because we don't know how snowy it is. Since we're in the highlight mood, let's highlight a little bit on this branch. Give it a little bit of highlights. because we don't know how snowy it is. Okay, let's start out with painting the head of our baby Jesus. Which I think I'm going to have it here. This is a light blue. I think it's called Cloudless with apple barrel. And the other one I used was Sunkissed Peach. The tip of our brush and just add a few little berries. Just random. To me, I think it just helps add the Christmas color and make it a little more Christmassy. We're back with our brush for, well, it's actually for nails. And we're gonna just do a few shadows around. And I can go up through here and add some dark here and there. To make it look more like wood. If I wanted to, I could go up in, I could even go up in here. This is metallic gold. And I'm going to try to just add a little halo. I'm going to add a little bit of gold down here too, into the hay. Maybe a little bit down